Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today our lesson is how to quickly perform auto sum button in Excel. We need to calculate all the quantities of mic here, and we also need to calculate all the quantities of France, Germany and USA here. How we can perform this calculation very quickly? Just select all the data which you want to calculate and go to the auto sum button and click here. Then you will see Excel perform all the calculation very quickly. You can see here Excel calculate all the things by auto sum function, this calculation, and here the calculation of keyboard. And now you can see here it's a calculation of France quantity, Germany quantity and USA quantity. You can perform this calculation by shortcut key as well. Just select all the data which you want to calculate and press Alt key and is equal to sign. Then you will see you can also perform this calculation by using shortcut key. It is very simple to calculate all the prices, all the quantities of items and countries. See you next lecture.